Okay, now we will start a section with workflows a bit more sophisticated. I wanted you to see like the first workflows more simple, and so that you get used with the dynamics of how to create, and you lose the fear, and you understand that at the end of the day, this is just about making nodes and connecting nodes, that there are many nodes. To be honest, we will not cover all of them, not even a small fraction, because there are hundreds of nodes, but more or less you see there is a node, you see the properties, that node executes something and gets some data and returns some data. And now the difference will be that nodes will start to get complex in the sense that there will be more nodes, okay, more nodes. And I will have to zoom out because they're gonna get slightly bigger, and the videos are gonna get a bit longer. And I will also introduce some concepts of programming, for example, JavaScript and JSON. Well, JSON you have already seen something, but in case that you want to be more, you have no idea of JavaScript and you want to get a bit more fluent, I added an annex called JavaScript Basics, and so please, if you have enough time, I recommend you, and you have no idea of JavaScript, you have never seen JavaScript in your life, I recommend you to stop here and go to the annex section. It's at the end of the videos. It's called Annex 1 JavaScript Basics, and watch those videos so that when I start doing something related with programming, you are not like shocked and you have no idea of what I'm talking about. Okay?